All right, welcome to Aaron Rodgers blind unboxing of the brand new DRC 9309E. Let's take a look at some of the specs on this son of something or other. Oh, it's not really just telling me warnings, stuff. Got removing instant batteries. Cool, whatever. It's full scale. Had a I think it's 1/16 scale breast motor, 2.4 gigahertz control, rechargeable battery, for blah blah blah. Everything okay? That's all normal. I like to open it from the right end usually, so do that. All right. Yeah, but it's bullshit. That was some bullshit. Sounds stupid. All right, here we go. Let's pull this sucker out. All right, that's everything in the box. Let's take a look at what just came out. Put this aside. And of course, you can always count on that. Holy Ton, Holy Stone, DRC, and the rest all have that for batteries. I know, I don't even save these bags anymore. So what do we get here? We get, of course, the brush. That's good. Let's move this out of the way. I'll go in the garbage. Brush. And of course, the wrench. We're all, whatever. One charger, of course, but there's going to be two batteries, so that's unfortunate. That all. I like to get the junk that I'm going to throw away all off at once. Okay, of course, a precision screwdriver, which we all know we have hundreds of those, if not dozens, if not thousands. And what do we got here? Oh, okay, clips and all that stuff. So look at that. We got cotter pins. We got 8 replacement cotter pins. It looks like. Oh no, 6. 4 bearings and 4 of those fuckers. All right, so that's what we get in that part. Let's move those. Actually, I'm going to put these back in here. Oh, always one. There's always one. Son of a biscuit. All right, let's take a look at the truck itself. First, we'll move the truck. Let's get the batteries. And the remote. I love that sound. Not really. Creeps me the F out. So, well, so we got the steering, trim, max speed. Good range of motion there, I guess. Start always low. That's right on the beat. Off, on. We will need two AA's, which I have rechargeables for, and I will put in soon. All right. And just like my DRC 003E Invincible 1/14 scale, this one feels a little flimsy too, but the 3000 milliamp AA rechargeables will add a little bit of heft to it at least. Let's get these out. You know what? I'm not fucking around. Kershaw. You can't beat them. Not for the price. So we got two 1500 milliamp batteries here. I'm not sure how long they're going to take to charge. 7.4 volt, 11.1 watts, 1500 milliamp. You know, I happen to have some 1500 milliamps, but for the 003E, and of course, the plugs are different. Or I think they are. Maybe they're a little bit more than that. So I guess I won't be using, I was kind of hoping, I'll be able to use that rechargeable, that recharging plug for all these batteries. They'd all be interchangeable, so I could at least charge two at a time. But I'm already going to get myself one of those shiny blue charger dischargers. You know. Okay. Let's get this looking at. I mean, we can turn it on for a split second just to see. Because, why not? Should I do it like that or should I do it like this? I'm just going to do it like that. I don't care. I'd rather have it reach. All right, see the plug? We're going to get that plug in there. I got to line it up like that. You can see. All right. No. Whatever that you do. I don't know. That does not look very, very. Yeah, that's not close. Look at that. That's towing way out. Yeah. See? Look at that. To that. We'll see how that affects driving on my first test. And we'll stop that for now. It has a really good feel to it. I love it. This shell is, it's as thin as it could be. That's good. Who cares? Don't want to add too much weight. But we want to, protect everything, make it a little more, less resistant. Whatever. You know what? Screw me. I don't know anything. Okay. Give it more aerodynamics though. So this little guy can supposedly go about 40 kilometers per hour. So you're looking at what, 24, 25? I don't know. We'll figure that out too, all together. So that's been the unboxing so far. And unless I am kissing my grits, I don't think it actually came with a... Oh, it did. Good. I was about to say, where's the manual? Let me show that before we get out of here. Sneaky ass. All right. Standard. So... Yep. Almost the exact same layout and info from just like my first RC from them, the 003E, except different PX parts, PX Toys parts. All right, that's been the unboxing. If there's anything I missed, then I apologize. I'm pretty new to this. And I will see you next at a driving test. Have a good one.